Alright guys, here's how you can transfer your data from the Nintendo Switch 1 to your Nintendo Switch 2. Make sure you have both devices nearby, and from the Nintendo Switch 1 we are just gonna go into System Settings here. So click on System Settings, this button. Alright, click on System Settings, then you want to scroll down until you see System, select System, and right here we're just gonna go all the way down until you see System Transfer to Nintendo Switch 2. Click on it and then select Next. Now it's gonna show us this. You can keep playing compatible Nintendo Switch software. Alright, we're just gonna click on OK. Make sure that the Nintendo Switch 2 console is close by. So click on Done here, and just give it some time to detect your Nintendo Switch 2, and it's gonna ask which data you want to transfer over. So save data for the following will be transferred. Alright, so we're gonna click on Next. Please connect an AC adapter to start the system transfer. So what you have to do is dock your Nintendo Switch 1. So once you dock this Nintendo Switch 1, you will click on Next, and then it's gonna detect it on your Nintendo Switch 2, and it's gonna initiate the transfer process. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.